Hello to all traders. With channel MaxBot, I receive signals from neural network with profitability from 89 to 95%. I give you 3 signals for free, after which you can buy the full version of the bot at a discount of 90% and work without limits. There are 10 places left at 90% discount. Link in the description. And now it's time to work. Let's go. I will conduct a trade with the currency pair Canadian dollar, Swiss franc on the timeframe of 2 minutes. 2 keystrokes in the robot's menu and it instantly gives a lower forecast. The news background now does not affect this currency pair. Volatility is reduced. I entered the trade by pressing the red button in pocket option. The robot is able to use in analytics 30 indicators, price action, candlestick and technical types of analysis. It gives each user of the full version unlimited signals. And now I will analyze the logic of its signal on the example of technical analysis, which I will conduct in the TradingView service. Let's look at the picture through the prism of historical data. According to the volume indicator, we can see that the sellers were more active about 2 hours ago. But with less intensity, they continued to resist the bulls further, which paid off. The trend has been sideways for 2 hours and is trending lower. I foresee that the price will bounce from the resistance area again and the local downtrend will start with the transition to flat, and this will be enough for us to close the deal in the plus on the 2-minute time frame. The decisive value in this situation will be the fact that the bears have been systematically accumulating their potential for 2 hours and there are no preconditions for a higher bounce from the support area. Friends, there's a cool comment contest on our channel. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions. You need to watch this video from start to finish. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write 1 comment on the topic of trading under this video. Only 1 comment is accepted from 1 person. My team will choose 1 winner using randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. So, the first operation ended successfully, thanks to an accurate prediction from MaxBot. My analytics also agree with his verdict. $91 went to the real account. Now I will change the currency pair and make 1 more trade. I will work with the variant Euro, Canadian dollar. The market entry amount will be doubled. $200. 3 seconds and the robot is already giving us a signal. Higher. The news has a strong influence on this currency pair. The price fluctuations are now elevated. I will now further analyze the situation with historical data. I want to show you the logic that I think the robot is using in this situation. In addition to technical analysis, it checks the information with the help of many indicators and takes into account the global market situation. This tool helps a huge number of traders to optimize their trading strategy and reach a new, top level of earnings. So, by the tick volume histogram we can see a situation where buyers were active a couple of hours ago and became more decisive again in the last minutes. The support areas are quite large. In the middle of the chart we can observe a corridor when consolidation took place. After that, the rudiments of an upward local trend, a slight bounce from the resistance area and again an upward movement with a small amplitude could be traced. I believe that at the 2-minute expiry time the bulls will have enough strength to raise the price a little more. I see the prerequisites for this on the stochastic oscillator. All factors indicate that the movement will continue and there will be no trend reversal. Working regularly together with this tool, you will certainly become much richer. MaxBot got all the knowledge that its developers have been absorbing for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. The bot will triple your deposit on the very first day. Profitable investment, which you will make at a discount of 90%, will pay for itself in the first hours of work. So, and the trade is about to close and as you can see, the robot forecast and my analytics agree. The uptrend and consolidation decided the outcome of this trade. $182 were deposited into the account. But that's not all. I want to finish this trading session with an even bigger profit. I will choose another option from the 27 currency pairs that are available to the robot. I will work with the Euro/US currency pair. This has a high payout percentage of 90. I double my investment. $400. Carefully press the keys in the bot menu so that you do not get a misclick. New signal, higher. In the message with the signal, the robot indicated that now there is increased volatility and news background activity on this currency pair. Now I will go back to the Trading View service, search for this currency pair and analyze the accumulated historical data. Friends, I recommend that you never stop your learning. Learn technical and fundamental analysis, analyze your actions in both successful and unsuccessful trades. Only with regular work and analyzing your own mistakes and achievements you will be able to become several levels higher in trading thinking. Now look at the graph. On the volume indicator, I have marked the moments when the buyers were particularly active. In the last half an hour they took the initiative from the sellers and started to have a strong impact on the price movement. The support areas show us how 2 hours ago the situation was controlled by the bulls, after which the bears were able to take the trend lower, locally, and recently the bulls were able to take over the initiative. The sideways movement started and there is a prospect of higher prices. I believe that now is the best time for a bounce from the support area and a slightly higher price. On a 2-minute time frame, this should be enough to successfully close the trade with a profit. Let's observe the completion of this operation and summarize the results. And now on the screen you can see the feedback from satisfied traders who have already started to improve their results many times over with the help of MaxBot. These people have already felt the power of artificial intelligence and the speed of neural networks. It helps them to optimize their trading strategy and significantly pump up their deposit. You can join too. After purchasing the bot, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analytics are performed and where our team shares the latest signals. So, here comes another profit. The deal closed in plus thanks to accurate forecast. $360 profit. Total profit for today $633. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to keep up to date with all the current events in trading. Bye.